This is a short descriptive video about a flip alarm clock from US origin. So I got it in the US. It is made by Digichron, or designed by Digichron. I've seen this exact same clock with a different label on it, so I've my doubts whether it was exactly designed and produced by Digichron, but it was labeled and sold by Digichron. In any case, it is a flip alarm clock with some more settings to it, and it's a 12-hour clock needing 110 volts, 60 Hertz. So we use in the US or elsewhere with an appropriate adapter if needed. And there's lots of switches here on the side, and there's some outlets or inlets, whatever you want to call them, on the back. With this clock you can switch some devices on or off. These were sort of popular back in the day. You had them in Europe, you had them in Japan, not so much in Europe, I would say. Not sure if I've come across one in Europe, to be honest. And you had them in the US. So you could set it that at the alarm time a certain device would switch off, and I think with this one you even have the option to switch it on. With this device you even have the option to switch off a certain device. I would recommend though using it as an alarm clock only. I haven't tested the other functions. I'm sure they're probably working. I don't have an instruction manual for it, and in my opinion these functions are maybe slightly obsolete, and as I said, I wouldn't really use it other than as a clock or an alarm clock, because the alarm is working. And let me see, let me just, there, with this one here, the large one, you set the time, and let me see, with this small one here you set the alarm. So it's 5 AM, and with this switch here you set the alarm on or off. There you go, that's the alarm for you. I guess that will wake you up. The glass on the front is a little bit shaded. For that reason, it had one lamp on the inside, one neon bulb. There was actually space to put in another one, so I put in a second one, so you can see the time when it is dark a bit better. My Etsy shop, on the listing page itself, there's a picture of the clock in the dark plugged in, so you can see what it looks like. The clock is cosmetically in a really nice condition. The motor was cleaned and lubricated. It got obviously 2 new neon bulbs, resistors, new wiring for those. I didn't touch the other wiring on the inside, which is original, in really good condition, and all working 100% as far as I could tell. Got a new cable on the outside, new plug on the outside, and this clock was thoroughly tested. And having said that, the clock and the alarm were tested. The other functions I did not test. They probably still work, however they were not tested by me, and therefore I would recommend using this as an alarm clock only. That's it. Any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching.